Hi guys, my name is Melissa and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little review on the, I don't know what you call them, the Sherpa Hey Dudes, or like the faux fur Hey Dudes. I also have the Wendy's or whatever in women. So this is the women's pair. They are corduroy and so cute. And then this is the men's pair that I have. These ones are more of like a twill look to them. They have really cute laces. And I'm also going to be doing a shoe painting. Now I've done like 4 different shoe flips with Hey Dudes specifically, but today I'm going to be just flipping these shoes with some paint. They're just a little Walmart kids shoe for my daughter and making them Halloween themed. And I'm also going to be doing a couple cute little things to my Hey Dudes to make them look Halloween without like ruining them, so I can use them for other cold weather seasons as well. So we've already been wearing these and they are very warm. The Sherpa goes all the way down here and then also inside the tongue all the way to the toe, but it is not underneath the sole of the shoe. We live in Minnesota here and it's already been getting so cold. Like the high was 19 yesterday, I think, where we are. So they definitely are keeping our feet warm, and we haven't been wearing socks with them. We do like the little hack where you put the sock around the sole of the shoe, and you guys have probably already seen that. We were at a hockey game the other night, and it's not super cold in there, but we had to stand outside and wait for our little like bus and stuff, and it was really cold out at night, and my husband's feet were sweating, so they definitely do keep your feet warm. For the fit, they definitely seem the same as our other Hey Dudes. My husband agreed. They're not like much bigger or smaller. I kind of wondered if that might be the case with the Sherpa, if it would make them fit tighter, but it doesn't. They are very comfy, very cozy. Highly recommend these types of Hey Dudes if you guys haven't tried them before. And on Amazon, I found mine for like 44 bucks, I believe, which is a lot cheaper than some Hey Dudes, which are like close to 70 on there. Anyways, I'm gonna stop jabbering, so let's get on with the video and decorate some Halloween Hey Dudes. And if you guys like my decorations in the back, I have so many different decorate with me videos for Halloween right now. If you guys like that kind of stuff, definitely come check out more stuff on my channel. And also check out my other Hey Dude videos, because I've got 4 different videos with painting and tie-dye and patches and all sorts of things that I do to them so far. So if you want to see any of those, they're on my channel, and I hope you guys subscribe. Alright, let's get into the video. This is everything that I'm going to be using today. These pins came in a huge pack on Amazon and they were really affordable. Then I've got white puffy paint and black puffy paint, the Walmart shoes, the Hey Dudes of course, and these bungee laces, which I got on Amazon for I believe like $4. This is the rest of the pins. And then I got a dowel just from Walmart. You can get one like at any craft store. And yeah, that's it. And if you guys like these adorable Halloween slippers, which you're probably shoe lovers if you're here on this video, but they're from Marshall's. I'm going to start by switching out the laces. So you just untie this little knot, and then you can pull the little toggle thing off. Then I decided I don't like these toggles, so I'm just going to put the black ones back on that they came with. These are a little longer, so I'm trying to decide if I should trim them or not. Just to keep in mind, if you do cut them, they unravel a little bit, so you could probably take some kind of hot glue or maybe even like nail polish we used to do, or something else to wrap around the tip of that if you wanted it to look like a toggle. You could also wrap a tiny bit of thin tape around the edge of I don't know if you guys have ever made jewelry before, but you can wrap tape around the edge of like a piece of yarn so you can get it through beads. You could totally do something like that if you wanted to, but it doesn't really bother me because I'm only going to be wearing them for a little bit longer here in October. And then I'm going to, I don't know, I think I'm just going to put a pin like right here, because they're like these little type of pinch back pins, and I can't decide which one. I mean, you could switch it out to match your outfit. You could also put them like on the sides. Ooh, I kind of like it on the side. That's cute. The ghost is probably my favorite one because that's absolutely precious. And it comes with such a huge pack that you can like have numerous of the same ones if you want to. So my fear with this was that it was going to hurt when these little metal pin backs touched my foot, but I can feel them. I just want to mention that, but it doesn't hurt at all. It wasn't like rubbing funny or anything like it was going to hurt. So that's good. But another thing you could do is pin them to the actual shoelaces, and you could pin as many as you want on there. You could pin it to like the X part or just like right on, like the little poke would be able to go right through the shoelace, and then it wouldn't touch your foot at all. You could also pin them to the toggle, this little black leather piece too, and then there would be 4 of them like hanging off one of each side of the shoelace. That'd be really cute, and it would not affect your foot or skin as well. And you've got so much extra pins you can give out. And also another really cute thing that my daughter does with them is she braids her hair into 2 pigtail braids in the front, and then she puts these through her hair and down her braids, and it is the cutest thing ever. Alright, on to the ghost shoes. Obviously you can do these on any canvas shoes, including Hey Dudes, but today I'm just going to do it onto these ones. And initially what I thought I was going to do is use this little sponge circular thing, stamper, and I was going to stamp a circle, and then I was going to take these very tiny little brushes and finish off like the bottom of the ghost and then paint a face on it. But it's so big, I don't know, I was thinking I wanted to do something smaller, which is why I got this dowel rod. And so I'm going to try stamping with the dowel rod and see if it looks like smaller ghosts. I think the print would look cuter, but you could totally do any size ghost you want. And I want to practice first on this piece of canvas. I also did that with these, if you guys saw my other Hey Dude videos, and practiced a stamper. I'm going to try that today and stamp it in the paint, and then stamp it here, and then draw the little ghosty out and see how hard or easy it is. And my daughter might even be able to finish these too, because she's very artistic. So, alright, let's try it. Okay, so obviously this looks really bad and funny, but you get the idea, right? Like, it was just kind of a little practice, and if I use a tiny brush like this, I'll be able to make it look more like a ghost at the bottom. This will help get them a little bit more like uniform with the right size. These shoes luckily were only $5, so if I mess them up, then it's not that big of a deal compared to the Hey Dudes, which are a lot more expensive. Alright, it's the next day. I'm still in my footy pajamas and I wanted to show you guys I got 3 coats of the little ghosties with the white paint. This paint was pretty sheer, so it took 3 coats. I don't know if you were able to use like the acrylic fabric paint. Maybe that would be a little bit more opaque, but for now I think they look really cute. I mean, I don't know. She saw them when she got home from school already and she loved them. So now I'm just going to paint the faces on them. And if you saw me try to use the little like squirty bottle, it came out way too fast. So I'm just going to put a little puddle on my wax paper and then use my super tiny paintbrush and draw little ghosty faces on them and then let them dry and they'll be done. So if you guys do a little ghost face that you don't like this one, I think the eyes are just funny. They look too human-like or something. So I want them to be more round, and then can just take white paint and put it over and try again. But I'm just gonna shape it like this. Alright, that's all for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, are you going to try doing any of these little Halloween shoe DIYs this year before Halloween? I know it's only like, I don't know, 10 days away now or something. Or are you going to do some other creative ideas? Let me know if you guys have any other ideas that you want me to try for future shoe flip. Much fun today. We actually wore them to the store with our like funny socks and our pants rolled up or over our pants so everybody could see them. And we had a lot of fun doing it. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a happy spooky season. Make sure you come and check out my channel. The try-on is coming on next, so I'm really excited for that. And then finally our vampire dining room and table vampire foods and stuff. So that is coming up. I'm actually recording that one right now today, and our party is tomorrow, and I'm so excited. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. So make sure that you're subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one, and happy Halloween!